Today, we're diving into an essential topic for Agile enthusiasts, the unique relationship between the Scrum Master role and Agile principles. Let's break it down. The Scrum Master is like the team's guide in Agile processes. Their role is all about enabling the team to work efficiently, aligning with Agile's core values of collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. So, how do they do this? Let's look at three key aspects. Point 1. Servant leadership. First, the Scrum Master embodies servant leadership. They prioritize the needs of the team over their own authority. Think of them as a coach. They're not there to dictate tasks, but to empower the team to achieve their goals. They remove roadblocks, foster creativity, and create an environment where the team thrives. Point 2. Focus on team dynamics. Unlike traditional project managers who focus on budgets and timelines, the Scrum Master is all about team dynamics. Their mission is to build a productive and collaborative team environment where everyone contributes. When the team works well together, great results naturally follow. Point 3. Continuous improvement. And here's the heart of Agile continuous improvement. Agile thrives on progress through short, iterative sprints. The Scrum Master plays a key role in facilitating retrospectives, those crucial meetings where the team reflects on their processes, celebrates wins, and finds ways to get even better next time. So, whether it's leading through service, fostering collaboration, or driving improvement, the Scrum Master is vital in bringing Agile principles to life. If you're aspiring to become one, remember it's not just about managing tasks, it's about inspiring people to achieve their best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Agile insights. See you in the next video.